Welcome to mySafari. Download mySafari, Safari Hypermarket's reward app from Play Store or App Store. Select country of residence from the list and enter your mobile number. Verify your phone number with OTP. Congratulations, you are successfully registered to mySafari app. You have 5 tabs in the bottom. In Home tab, you can view latest promotions and offers. In My Card tab, you can view your QR code, reward points, and insurance status. In Events tab, you can see all the events and lucky draw informations. In Profile tab, you can fill your personal details like name, ID number, date of birth, email address, etc. After submitting the informations, you will get an OTP to confirm. In More tabs, you can give feedback, get our location, and all general notifications. Thank you and keep shopping with us.